Binance Coin, widely known as BNB, has become one of the most influential digital assets in the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. And understanding what BNB is, why it was created, and how it evolved is essential for anyone trying to navigate the future of crypto. When BNB launched in 2017, most people dismissed it as just another exchange token, nothing more than a simple utility coin for reducing trading fees on Binance Exchange. But over the years, BNB transformed far beyond its original purpose, becoming one of the most powerful forces in decentralized finance, blockchain innovation, and Web3 development. Many beginners still ask what Binance Coin really represents and why it remains one of the most important cryptocurrencies in the market. To understand this, we need to start from the beginning, exploring its origins, its token economics, its blockchain evolution, and its use cases across the growing Binance ecosystem. This deep dive into BNB will help you see why it became such a dominant player, why investors continue to hold it, and why developers are building more on its chain every day. With increasing adoption, rising demand, and a powerful ecosystem behind it, BNB has become more than a token. It has become infrastructure, a financial engine powering millions of transactions globally. At the heart of BNB's success is the Binance Exchange, the largest and most active cryptocurrency trading platform in the world. When Binance first launched, it quickly gained attention for its speed, user-friendly interface, large trading pairs, and low transaction fees. To encourage users to adopt the platform, Binance introduced BNB as a discount token that allowed traders to pay lower trading fees when holding the coin. This simple idea sparked the beginning of BNB's journey. As more traders joined Binance, the demand for BNB increased, pushing its visibility and credibility higher. Over time, Binance expanded its services beyond just trading, offering futures markets, margin trading, staking, savings products, P2P trading, and decentralized finance solutions. With every new product added, BNB found new utility, rising from being a simple discount token to becoming a multi-purpose asset used across a wide range of financial services. The more Binance grew, the more BNB grew along with it, cementing a deep connection between the token and the platform's global expansion. One of the biggest turning points in BNB's history was the launch of Binance Smartchain, now known as BNB Chain. This marked a major shift from an exchange token to a full blockchain platform, capable of powering decentralized applications, smart contracts, and DeFi protocols. BNB Chain quickly grew into one of the most active blockchains in the world because of its low gas fees, fast block times, and compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. This compatibility made it extremely easy for developers to migrate or replicate Ethereum-based decentralized applications, giving rise to countless DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, token projects, and Web3 solutions. The low cost of transactions attracted users globally, from beginners to professional traders, because moving assets on BNB Chain was significantly cheaper than on many other chains. This high level of adoption increased BNB usage as people needed it to pay for gas fees, making the token even more valuable and essential. As more decentralized applications launched on BNB Chain, more people were integrated into the ecosystem, creating a self-powered cycle of demand, usage, and innovation. BNB also uses a unique token burning mechanism that helps control its supply. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, BNB started with a supply of 200 million, but introduced a burn system to reduce the amount in circulation over time. Binance performs quarterly burns based on exchange revenue and ecosystem performance, permanently removing BNB from circulation. Additionally, the introduction of BEP-95 added real-time burning, similar to EIP 1559 on Ethereum, where a portion of gas fees is automatically burned during every transaction. These burning events reduce supply over time, helping create upward pressure on price as long as demand remains strong. Many investors view the burn mechanism as one of the most attractive features of BNB because it aligns long-term growth with token scarcity, making BNB appealing to both traders and long-term holders. Beyond its role in trading and decentralized finance, BNB continues to expand into new and innovative use cases. It is used for staking, liquidity provision, decentralized exchanges, NFT purchases, launchpad investments, token sales, gaming platforms, and much more. With the growth of blockchain technology, BNB has become a gateway for millions of users accessing decentralized applications. Binance also created Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool, platforms that allow users to stake or use BNB to participate in early-stage token projects. Many successful crypto projects today, such as Axie Infinity, Polygon, and The Sandbox, originally launched through Binance's launch platforms, giving BNB holders access to incredible investment opportunities. This increased demand for BNB because participating in these early token sales often required users to commit BNB as part of the process. BNB's role in payments and global commerce is also expanding. Many merchants and payment processors now accept BNB directly as a form of payment. Travel companies, e-commerce sites, fintech apps, and crypto-friendly businesses allow users to pay for flights, hotels, electronics, services, and even online shopping using BNB. This real-world utility has positioned BNB as more than a speculative asset, but as a practical currency integrated into daily life. Additionally, Binance Pay and Binance Card allow users to spend BNB seamlessly anywhere crypto payments are accepted. This combination of blockchain power, real-world utility, and exchange integration makes BNB a versatile tool for both everyday users and crypto professionals. BNB's flexibility also makes it a popular coin for cross-chain bridges and interoperability solutions. Many blockchain ecosystems integrate BNB as a liquidity asset, allowing users to bridge tokens between networks or swap assets in decentralized exchanges. Because BNB chain operates efficiently with low transaction fees, many blockchain protocols use it as their default integration layer. This has contributed to its massive trading volume and liquidity across major cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide. BNB's strong performance in the crypto market can be attributed to a combination of its powerful ecosystem, strong branding, high utility, regular token burns, and wide adoption across decentralized finance and Web3. Many analysts see BNB as one of the most influential altcoins because its value is directly tied to real-world usage, not just speculation. As the crypto industry grows and more decentralized applications are built, more transactions will occur on-chain, and each transaction will require BNB for gas. This ensures that the token remains in demand as long as developers and users continue using BNB chain. The future of BNB is closely connected to the growth of blockchain technology as a whole. As more people move from traditional finance to decentralized finance, as more companies adopt cryptocurrency payments, and as more developers build Web3 applications, BNB is positioned to remain one of the key players in the industry. With continuous upgrades, ecosystem expansion, and strong backing from Binance, the long-term outlook for BNB remains strong. Its ability to scale, its compatibility with existing blockchain infrastructure, and its growing demand from global users make it a crucial component in the digital economy. BNB continues to show resilience even during volatile market conditions. During bull runs, its price tends to rise rapidly due to network activity, token burns, and increased market speculation. During bear markets, BNB tends to remain more stable compared to many altcoins because it is heavily tied to Binance's real-world operations. As long as Binance remains one of the largest exchanges in the world, BNB will remain relevant. Many traders use BNB for long-term holding, staking, and DeFi yields, which helps keep a consistent level of demand even when market sentiment fluctuates. Another key reason BNB remains powerful is its community. Millions of global users support the BNB ecosystem, from traders to investors, developers, creators, and blockchain enthusiasts. There are thousands of projects built on BNB chain, from decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap to NFT marketplaces and blockchain games. This massive ecosystem strengthens the coin's long-term value because the community itself drives continuous development. A strong ecosystem means strong adoption, and strong adoption means strong demand for BNB as a utility token. BNB's importance also extends to the broader crypto economy. It competes with Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, and other Layer 1 blockchains, but its unique advantage lies in its global user base and the massive trading volume generated on Binance Exchange. As more people learn about cryptocurrencies, many of them first interact with Binance, and from that point, they naturally get introduced to BNB. This built-in onboarding funnel ensures a constant inflow of new users into the ecosystem. BNB also plays a crucial role in decentralized governance. Users who hold and stake BNB can participate in community voting for proposals, upgrades, and ecosystem decisions. This governance mechanism empowers users to shape the future of the chain. Developers also benefit from grants, funding programs, and technical support, making BNB Chain one of the most developer-friendly blockchains available today. BNB remains one of the strongest cryptocurrencies because it blends utility, innovation, and community strength into a single ecosystem. Whether used for trading, paying for gas fees, participating in launchpad projects, staking assets, or transacting within decentralized applications, BNB offers a flexible and powerful experience. As blockchain adoption continues to rise globally, BNB is positioned to remain at the center of the digital economy. To wrap up everything, if you enjoyed this deep dive into Binance Coin and want more powerful crypto explanations that help you learn, grow, and build confidently in the digital economy, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment so more people can find this valuable knowledge.